There we go. What's up, everybody? I hope you're all doing well. We finally made it up to the snow in the mountains. In this video, I thought we were going to take a closer look at the Bergtagen trousers, and I'm just going to show you the specs real quick, and I'm going to show you a little bit more details when I get back down where it's a little bit warmer. We can go through a little bit deeper. First of all, they have the same zippers as you got on the Bergtagen jacket. They're easy to grab with gloves, easy to open and close. They're also reinforced here on the knees and the inner lower part of the leg with Coralone. You got double zippers here on the side if you want to ventilate. You got up and down, and a second one here, and then leg adjustment down here as well. No boot hook because they're made to be used with ski boots. I'm now back home where it's a little bit warmer and I don't have to focus on keeping warm. We can focus more on talking about the Bergtagen trousers. As I've shown you, we just went quickly through the pockets. They open from the inside to the outside like this, and you can tuck your hands in. And then there is the normal mesh inner pocket as well for a GPS or your cell phone. And then at the lower part you can see here that the adjustment system is a little bit different. So you just simply adjust it like that by pulling on the tab, and then you're good to go. I'd say that the overall fit is pretty baggy compared to the keb pants or keb trousers. There's a lot of room in here, especially if you want to have something underneath, like a pair of long johns or anything like that. You can definitely have that. Pretty evident that the trousers are meant to be used in winter conditions and alpine or above the tree line, on the way that they are built down here, and the suspension system of the ski boot. And then, yeah, of course, the ventilation, that you can open them up with thicker gloves than this, but still have a good grip. And everything is just really nicely put. Down here, when you want to pull the toggle here, you can do that, but then in this case, or if you have you're going on a tour skis and you have ski boots on, there's a lot of slack over here. You could try to tuck it in. I'm trying to do it with gloves now, but so it's a little bit, you know, and then you want to take your gloves off, and then if it's windy or if it's cold, I think you get where I'm going with this. You could try to put it in like this, but then you kind of lose a little bit of the suspension here as well. So it's a little bit, you know, and then where do I put it here? Do I put it in here? It's, yeah. I would love to see a solution where there is extra room over for this part, and I can really tighten it around so I don't get any snow inside. And yeah, maybe just connect it here on the other side or something like that. That would be really cool, because if you see now, I risk stepping on it and yeah, getting dirt on it or snow, and yeah, it's gonna get wet and you'll drag it on the ground. So that's something I would like to see. Other than that, I think it's a great pair of pants. I use them now on my winter adventure, and they were great. So nice to be able to ventilate here on the sides and have the extra support on your knees when you want to take a knee or sit down on the snow and you got to do some work. It's really nice. guys, just a quick walkthrough of the Bergtagen trousers. Hope you guys loved or liked this review.
Loved or liked.
Hope you guys enjoyed this review. It's just been a quick run through of the features of the Bergtagen trousers. Easily meant to be used above the tree line or in the winter climates where they're really coming into play. I like the fit, I like the baggy movability that you got. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Until next time, take care, peace out, bye bye.